Here's some breaking news coming in. Mega inside scoop of Mahayuti 2.0. 11 Shiv Sena MLAs likely to become ministers. 5 new MLAs from Shiv Sena likely to be inducted into the cabinet. Shiv Sena may get 13 to 14 ministerial berths, and 10 to 12 ministers are to be sworn in this week. Mustafa is joining us live on the broadcast for more on this. Mustafa, we're learning that Shiv Sena will get 13 to 14 ministerial posts in the Mahayuti and 10 to 12 will be sworn in this week. What more details can you give us?
Well, yes, Chetna, there is an impatience in the MLAs of Mahayuti that now the cabinet expansion should take place. In just a week, there will be an assembly session in Nagpur. Before that, they need that the cabinet posts be filled in. As of now, in the government, there are only 1 CM and 2 DCMs. But be it Shiv Sena, be it NCP, BJP MLAs, all 3 parties MLAs are curious as to when the cabinet expansion will take place. We have got to ourselves the possible list of the Shiv Sena MLAs. There are 11 MLAs who have been selected as of now, and they are likely to take oath as the cabinet ministers. Few new names like Arjun Khotkar, Vijay Shivtare, and there are many other few people who have new MLAs who were not ministers in the last term, like Bharat Sheth Gogaole, Sanjay Shishat, who will be part of the cabinet in this term, and including the few of the ministers who were there in the past. So there are around 11 names as of now. These are possible names, and changes can take place. But yes, BJP, NCP, Shiv Sena are preparing their list of ministers soon. A swearing in this week in Maharashtra is likely, so that the cabinet expansion can take place. Back to you, Jet.
Thanks, Mustafa, for bringing us all those details on that story. The Mahayuti 2.0 Sarkar set to announce cabinet soon. According to sources, BJP's Rahul Narvekar is likely to take oath as Maharashtra Speaker once again. The race to secure key portfolios and positions has now begun. The tussle continues over key ministries such as Home, Finance, Urban Development, Revenue and others. Politics speaks over EVMs in Maharashtra. NCP-SP Supremo Sharad Pawar is in Markarwadi village in Solapur district alongside leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi. This comes after Maharashtra police filed a case against the villagers for questioning the use of EVMs in the assembly polls and planning to conduct a re-election in the village using ballot papers. In the assembly, MVA leaders will take oath, but on the ground, NCP-SP Supremo Sharad Pawar has attacked the Mahayuti government. Sharad Pawar questioned the use of EVMs in the country and demanded a ban on them.
ये दोनों तरफ की राजनीति है. कल शपथ नहीं लेना, आज शपथ लेना, ये दोनों तरफ की राजनीति है और ये महाराष्ट्र की जनता को मालूम है. इसलिए ही महाराष्ट्र की जनता ने, महाराष्ट्र की मतदारों ने जो मैंडेट दिया है वो महायुति को दिया है. नहीं, अभी टाइम ही टाइम है उनके पास. राजनीति करने के लिए भी टाइम ही टाइम है. इसलिए सब ये राजनीति चालू है. अभी जहां से प्रियंका गांधी मैडम चुन के आए वहां ईवीएम अच्छा है. नांदेड़ में ईवीएम अच्छा है. रोहित पाटिल जहां से जीते हैं वहां ईवीएम अच्छा है. रोहित पवार जहां से जीते हैं वहां ईवीएम अच्छा है. और जहां हम जीते हैं वहां ईवीएम बुरा है. ये राजनीति है और एक 10 दिन 15 दिन चलेगी, बाद में खत्म हो जाएगी.
मेरा वोट सही सलामत है या नहीं है, और मेरा वोट, मैं जिसको वोट मारता हूँ, जिस विचारधारा को मार रहा हूँ, वो उसी को जा रहा कि नहीं, ये शंका अगर मन में आती है तो यही मेरा व्यक्ति स्वतंत्र के ऊपर मेरा उसका वायलेशन हो रहा है. और इसलिए जनता की ये भूमिका है कि हमारा वोट अब बैलेट पे होना चाहिए, मशीन में नहीं होना चाहिए. ये जनता की भावना है. अभी आने वाले सभी चुनाव में वोटिंग ये बैलेट पे होना चाहिए. ये मांग महाराष्ट्र में से सब तरफ से शुरू हो